Hey guys, welcome to the gift card lifestyle. Today we're going to talk about Prize Rebel. And I am going to suggest and propose a challenge. So it's going to be the Prize Rebel Point Challenge, and we're going to see how many people could sign up for Prize Rebel under this link right here and start earning points. I know people have lost their jobs, people have, looking for some extra ways to make some money or make some extra something rather, and some extra loot, if you will. So this is a good thing to do when you're sitting at home and you need to pass the time. So you can passively earn by referring other people to this. And you have contests that you can win, promo codes that you can redeem. You can look on their Facebook page to see if they have any promo codes around. A lot of times if you do push notifications, which are little side notifications, those will give you points maybe once a week. So this is a good time, especially in this day and age, in this time, to do it. You can also get tips on survey taking and offer completion, all of that stuff. But yeah, it's a great time to check this out. I would recommend, if you're going to do the surveys, to start with the Peanut Labs, because those surveys are the most likely to credit you either partially or fully if you get through the entire survey. I don't know much about gold surveys. They're okay, but a lot of times they disqualify you. You could pick from any sort of rewards that Prize Rebel has. They have some new ones. I know the Visa has gone to a vanilla Visa prepaid card that you can do. I know they have up to $300 in rewards for Visa gift cards and all that. So you can set your goal to whatever you want. And then once you get to that goal, you can pick it down here in the rewards column. And then once you pick it, let's say I want this one, you could say claim this item, and then it'll go, okay, your item has been claimed and it is being processed. And a lot of these rewards they have on sale, so be sure to check. Be sure to check back often. But yeah, let's go ahead. And also, you can actually copy and paste your Prize Rebel code or link in the comments to this video to inspire others to join if they don't join via my link. And you guys go ahead and see what you can do for this. It's something to do when you're killing time at home.